In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for manufacturing. To get started, open Monday.com and go to the workspace where you want to organize your manufacturing process. This is a useful setup if you want a central place to track production tasks, workflows, timelines, or team responsibilities. The goal here is simply to create a dedicated board that can serve as the foundation for your manufacturing project. Once you're inside the correct workspace, look for the plus icon beside the workspace name. This is where you can create something new within that area. Go ahead and click that plus icon. This step is important because it tells Monday.com that you want to add a new item to your workspace rather than editing something that already exists. After that, a menu will appear with different creation options. From those options, click on Board. In Monday.com, a board is the main structure you'll use to manage information. For manufacturing, this can eventually help you keep track of things like production stages, job progress, inventory-related tasks, deadlines, and team coordination. Choosing a board gives you a flexible framework that you can build on later. Next, you'll be prompted to name the board. In the board name field, type in Manufacturing Project. Giving the board a clear and direct name makes it easier to find later, especially if your workspace contains multiple projects. A straightforward title also helps your team instantly understand the purpose of the board when they open it. Once the name has been entered, click on Create Board. This will generate your new board and place it inside the workspace you selected. At this point, you've successfully created the basic setup for managing a manufacturing project in Monday.com. As a quick tip, starting with a clearly named board is a smart first step because it keeps your workspace organized from the beginning. Even before adding columns, tasks, or automation, having the board in place gives you a dedicated area to plan and manage your workflow. And that's it. You've now created a manufacturing project board in Monday.com by opening the workspace menu, choosing to create a board, naming it appropriately, and confirming the setup. From here, you'll be ready to continue customizing the board based on your manufacturing needs.